Good morning. Good morning, this is me, just up with no makeup on. I'm getting ready to go deliver a really big coffee order for Liberty High School fundraiser. So I thought I would just take a minute while my coffee is perking to talk to you about an entrepreneur's life and that of a restaurant owner and chef and what. I have no makeup on, it's bad. Anyway, you need to see me with nothing. What's in my refrigerator? Because I cook, but I don't cook at home. And I don't have a lot of food at home because I get up in the morning and I go to Soccer Beans and then I'm at the restaurant. So I really don't cook at home. So I thought you might like to take a tour of my fridge. Okay, so I like this French door type fridge. Open up and you can see what little food I have in here. I have some juice and egg whites. Well, I have some alcohol and you know my favorite, chronic Cellars. Can't wait to open that up this weekend. I have some mozzarella that was at the restaurant. I'm bringing it over to coffee shop. I have ham. Some spices, so when I do cook, I actually really like these because they're, you can see that better. They have a very intense flavor. Actually, I made pesto with this at my daughter's house. It was really very good, but I like keeping them here because they have a long shelf life and they are awesome when you're cooking. I buy dill too. I think I used it all when for my eggs, but that was something we brought in for beans, for hot chocolate. Elmhurst, their alternative milks are really good, but this is what I really wanted to show you. Kind of, I can't do an unboxing because the box came last night and it kind of sat out in the rain, but I just started with my first shipment from Freshly. And I'm going to take these out and open them up so you can see. I took a peek last night and the entrees really look very good, so I'm excited about tasting them. I need to have something that I can grab and go, that I don't have to cook, because what happens at the restaurant, I end up eating French fries and mashed potatoes. So let's take a peek, see what we got. I started with the 6-meal plan, and these are complete meals. They are already prepared, so I don't have to cook. I've got the home-style chicken with butternut mac with one hand. Oh, it's really hard to see that, but actually, like I said, they look like real mashed potatoes, and there's some cheese in there, and the green beans look they're like fresh haricot vert. Then we have chicken with Horno, which is, again, hard to see. There's it's a breast of chicken on white beans with some kale and tomatoes. That looks like it's going to be really yummy. And grilled chicken risotto. Watch. The risotto looks really creamy. It's a small piece of chicken, but you know what I like? These are going to be perfect portion sizes because I'm Italian, so I have a tendency to overeat because I eat very fast. This is penne bolognese, and they do have vegetarian options and lots of fish, well, several fish options, but so it's nice little pieces of penne. You can see the meat sauce. I'm really interested in trying that. And then normally, which I would never buy, is steak, but I thought I would try it. Put that out there. Steak with peppercorn, and that's on a bed of mashed potatoes with some, I think that's sweet potato and green beans, but yeah. And then last but not least, balsamic glazed turkey. And I actually took a peek. Hey, it's hard doing this with one hand. You can't see this from this video, but that turkey really does look like fresh roasted turkey. And the lights from my kitchen are kind of glary, but yeah, I think this, it's really promising. I'm going to take it for a second week, give it a try and test it out, and I will let you know. I'll put I actually got this, I think I saw it advertised on Facebook, and I just clicked the link. So I will put the link in the notes below. And this is not sponsored. They did not send me this. I paid for this. I am just sharing with you what's in my fridge and what it's like to live a lifestyle on the run. Sometimes you have to do what you have to do. So I'll let you know how it goes.